And welcome back, YouTube world. Thank you for stopping by. Mind Business. This is from our previous video here with the basic Wix editor. We had a Peaks Me Houston. Now I want to take a look at the ADI, the Artificial Design Intelligence software that that Wix has here. So these are the two sites I have. Like I said, when I first tried out the Wix, I did use the ADI, and I created this My Business example for Mind Business. I really like the design of that. Showed it to you in the last video. I'm gonna show it to you again so I can compare. I want to do a study here, a little case study. So uh, Wix says that no two websites look alike whenever you use the ADI software. So I'll put that to the test. I'm going to go through the same steps, maybe not the same necessary selection here, but the same industry. So let's go ahead and create a new site. The way I got there was just clicking on there. You see create new site. Or on the right hand side here, there's an add sign. You can create a new site there as well. So let's go ahead and business website. All right, I want to do the ADI, and so we're testing. We're going to see now if no two sites are alike. Well, at least these two sites. Uh, Consulting firm, yeah, I want to say it's consulting. I want to consulting on what software tools to use in order to further optimize your business processes. So that falls under, I guess, IT, information, maybe computer. Let's stay with IT, information technology. All right. On the last video, I said it was going to be under 15 minutes, and I noticed for the basic Wix editor video, it took about 25 minutes. I went a little off the tracks. Some of the things that I was saying there. If y'all don't like that, if y'all want me to be, straight to the point, uh, step by step by step, we can do that. Just let me know. Let me see. Let me know if my pace is okay. Uh, how I can further better this experience here for you when we're testing software. So willing to adapt. So thank you for viewing as well. Anyway, does your website need any of the following features? I'm not going to sell anything online. Maybe later. You can always add to Wix websites. I would need appointments. I would like to get subscribers, and I'd like to have blogs. So mainly maybe tax tips, motivationals, motivational Mondays. I know that's a big thing. So yeah, I'll do a blog. Now, what is the name of your website or business? Mayan Business. All right, and we'll go ahead and put Houston, Texas. It is, I just realized that the United States only has 10 cities with 1 million people or more in their population. That just blew my mind. Houston's one of those cities, number 4 to be exact. So Wix ADI wants to learn about you, Mind Business. Wix ADI will start by gathering info from public internet sources. You will be able to check and edit everything before it goes live. So what this is doing at Wix ADI is scraping the web and looking for your information, anything to do with Mind Business. It's going to pull from particular sources and feed that into the website and pretty much design it with your content, with your information. So let's go ahead and do that. Of course, it says nothing will be published online without your review and approval. Let's do that. And I wonder where the source is going to come from. Okay, so all right, so that's not me. Okay, that's my partner. Sadly, that's one of my partners there, or the partner, I should say. Hope she didn't hear that. So we are located in Texas City. It's the heart of Texas. But I know not a lot of people are familiar with cities within the states, let alone the states of the United States. So I usually choose Houston, Texas, because more people are familiar with Houston, and we're within their region. I'm actually born and raised from Houston, Texas. So I'm going to just say that's me. I'll edit the information later. I think it's the next step or the step after. It's the next step, right? Okay. So I'll go ahead and change that. I'll change this to Houston, Texas. Okay, leave the phone number. Now we use a lot of medias here, but a professional professional media is the LinkedIn, of course, LinkedIn.com. And we don't have a fax number. I should get a fax number, but I don't have a fax number. Right. And we're almost up. Hello, I am ADI. Developed to guide you in creating a stunning website. I can create billions of combinations of text, images, and more. Well, let's see what we can do. Help me learn your taste. Sophisticated, spark, evolution, clean, horizon, elegance. I'll go with the clean look. I like clean websites. So, would you like to create a palette with your logo, from your logo? Of course, yes, sure. Easy as that. Quick. Use these colors, correct. Awesome. And now I'm creating your homepage. You don't have to A, learn HTML, B, learn CSS, C, pull your hair out, try and learn JavaScript. You don't have to do any of that. You just use Wix. There we go. It is limited. I said customization is limited, but you can customize what you get to a certain extent. So, you know, if you're trying to run the next eBay, PayPal, or something like that, you're not going to use Wix. Okay, but for the majority of the people that need just a basic website, pretty much a brochure website, your information of your business and how to get in contact with you, and also to submit information, customer information. This is all you need. This is all you need. Why go through the struggle of, you know, trying to find a developer that can do it for, you know, $10,000, $5,000, $2,000 when you just pay $120 a year? So a free basic website up, or a free site up with your custom domain. Okay, so this is what it pulled out. I don't like that gray right there. There's gray here, the tech support and all that. Maybe I could change that to a different color. I mean, that's what it came up with. I like the first one better that it came out with. I'll compare right now, but it looks like it's a tutorial. Okay, so you can preview your site. And this is all through the ADI. The ADI is walking me through how to do this. It shows me exactly where preview mode shows you your website. Okay. Let's go ahead and, oh, and it has a video. Awesome. I always like these. Instead of just a static image, static photo, you actually have a video when you land on your home page. What we do for you, I like that. My Business Services LLC. Learn more. When you click on it, it doesn't go anywhere. I will have to change that to go somewhere. Either, you know, to this section here, or maybe to the contact us. Here's my blog. Okay, and then if you want to subscribe, put your email address. Let's see if it subscribes. I'm not sure if this is connected. More than likely it's not connected, but let's see what happens when I put a, yeah, see, it has nowhere to go. So I need to set all that up. And see, it has all my information here. Right now, since I'm on the free, I am going to still see this gray, you see this gray toolbar here at the bottom? At the top, you're going to continue seeing that until you go at least to the $5 a month plan. Alright, so we got the book online to book appointments. See, it already has the default tiers here. I love it. It's ready to go. All we gotta do is edit. Group services. You can join. Look, set a date. Unbelievable. 1 hour is $45 an hour. That's the usual rate. Wow, I don't have to change that. Next. Add your information. Yeah, and we just pretty much have to set up where all this information is going to go. So that usually just takes telling what email to go to for all your submissions. You can change the website design. Show me how. I'm not going to change it, but because this is what it came out with initially. So I'm not going to change it, but I'll just go through the steps here. See? And these are the themes that it gave me the last time. Actually, a little bit more than the last time. Mason, Balance, Merlet, Army, Charming, Delight. And I'm going to keep what it initially gave me so we can do a direct comparison because I didn't change the other one. Alright. And I'm not going to change the website colors. I'm not going to do any of that. Let's just go ahead and skip all this. Skip. And the best way to learn software is to try it out, mess with it, fiddle with it. So I'm not gonna go through every single detail here. Okay, every website should have its own little kick to it, its own little flavor, its own little style, and that's what the edits for. The edit builder is for. Uh, if there's something that you want me to do individually, we can work out doing 2 minute, 5 minute videos on each of those. Or just put it in the comments below. Just put what you're having trouble with, and I can see what I can do for you. Um, but for now, this is just, like I said, an overview of the ADI, and it's very straightforward. Uh, you won't have to worry about any errors that you make, because if you don't publish it, the world's not going to see. Oh, look, he forgot to put his number. It's supposed to be 832, not 281, or somewhat 808, whatever, 818. Uh, Now we're back to the publisher site. So let's publish our site. Let's publish it. I'm only on a free plan, so I'm going to use a free Wix.com domain. For the customized domain, you have to at least get the $5 a month plan. So I don't want to do that right now. I'm just going to, we're testing the waters here. We're testing the waters. And the thing is, you can build on this subdomain, on this Wix.com subdomain, and if you like it and you want to connect it, you'll just hit the connect button. You have to pick a package that you would want to get to, and that same website will just have your domain name. There's a couple things you have to work with in the DNS, but if somebody needs help with that, let me know. Put it, how does the saying go? Ask and you shall receive. And if you're not asking, we don't know what to give you. So, yeah, we're done here. And then, of course, improve your search engine optimization or ranking. I'm not gonna connect your domain because we don't want to do the plan. Unless you do improve search engine. Open the page manager. Okay. Click page settings. Okay. Select page SEO. All right. Wow. Artificial intelligence teaching us how to create websites. Wow. Okay. Home, my business. Okay, so you see what the SEO is all about. It's data about data. So just feed the engine what it needs to know. It already has. Like, if you want to change it up, it has the title. So home. This is the home page of Mayan Business Services LLC. What is the description about it? Give it a few phrases. You hover over this eye icon here. It has to be. It doesn't give you a description. There should be a description on what. Anyway, so keywords, and these are the keywords you're fighting for. So if anyone's familiar with AdWords, Google AdWords, this is what that's about. Bidding on certain keywords. I just put it on your website. These are simple things that you can do to increase your SEO. And people think there's magic, there's somebody behind the curtain working everything. No, it's just you have to feed the engine, work with the engine, okay? And your page URL, okay? You can hide this page from search results, or you can uncheck it and not hide this page from search results. So not hiding this page from search results will get you found in search results. But I'm gonna hide it here because we're just doing demo, right? That's that, and then just go ahead and save it. If you want to publish it, publish it. Let's compare now. Okay. Let's compare. This is the first ADI site that I created. And now I want to compare it. And Wix says no two sites are alike. I'll be back. Alright. My site. Oh, that's the Pixel one. That's the basic editor website that we created. And this is the new one that we created here. Alright. Alright, direct comparison. This is the ADI one, the first one that I created by myself here. And this is the one that I created just right now. Let's see how different they look. Let's see if we can see some commonalities between the two. Okay. Alright, so the navigation bar are both at the top here. Alright, this one has the logo. This one doesn't. I want to say this one did say my business, but I just put I edited it to say my business instead of Mayan business. I did do that change, but everything else I didn't change. The business, your service, I stayed. You saw me build this one right here, the second one, so I didn't do any changes to this one. Yeah, so yeah, and to be honest, I like this one. I like this one a lot. So here's the blog. As you can see, the blog looks very. It's actually the freaking same thing, maybe except for the alignment of this text, but everything else is the same. There's no. It's not a full border box here. With the email address, of course, different palette colors. Wow. So these two things are dead on center. Okay, the text is on top instead of at the bottom. So little things like that. So I don't know. Like I said in the previous video, these sites, they all have a standard to me, and those standards, I mean, that's what you get with website builders. You get the standard, right? So you need to put a little flair in it. You need to put a little bit of customization, show your unique self in your site, so you can separate yourself from all these common websites, because they do all share similar traits, similar things. You just have to edit it. You just have to edit it a little bit, play with it, have fun. But I like the first one here. Second one's okay. The second one I like the video. Yeah, and you can book online as well. So two different designs spit out by the same ADI, by the same artificial intelligence, both done within 5 minutes. You could have done that. You could have skipped the tutorial and published your site without editing anything. You could have got a site within 5 minutes. Of course, it's going to take a little bit more time to customize, but that's that. All right. Well, where's the other one at? Here it is. Okay. So that's going to be it for the ADI. Now we just compared. I don't know if Wix overstating that comment when they say no two sites are alike, but I'm fairly pleased for website builders, for the Wix website builder. I may connect my business domain in here. If we don't, well, we don't. But anyway, there is one last thing I wanted to talk about, and this caught my attention. I was logging in here, and let's see. Let me just show you. I have to log out, don't I? Yes, I do. There's actually a competition that's going to end October 2nd, and this was pretty cool. You get to, if anybody keeps up with TV, if you keep up with TV, or is it? It's not. Hold on. What is her name? I forget her name. There's a little. It's Wix Booking. It's a what is it? Competition? Not a competition. Wix Bookings. Is it here? No, it takes me straight to. Okay, well, it was a competition to create a website using the Wix Bookings, and you would get to meet an actress. She's pretty funny. She's from the New Girl. What's her? I get used to certain keyboards, and I go crazy with this Mac keyboard. I'm still learning it. New Girl. What's her name? What's her name? What's her name? What's her name? Here we go. Yeah, so if you win this Wix competition, you get to meet Zoe Deschamps, if that's how you pronounce her name. Wix Bookings. Oh well. not a will. Hold on. Hold on. Wait. Come on. Because if you're gonna create a website, might as well just throw in your towel. See if she likes your website or not. If she likes your website and her and the Wix team like your website, you get to have you get to meet her. So I'm sorry, guys. Okay, well, anyway, you can be able to find it. If you wanna compete, that's fine. It's like I said, it's for the Wix bookings. I can't seem to find it. I think I received it in an email. Uh, yeah, it was a competition. Can't find it now. Sorry about that. I apologize, guys, gals. But anyway, so that's how you use the ADI. If you have any more questions, concerns, if you want to see me do something, a specific thing that in Wix, any problems that you have, comment below. I'll see what I can do, and I'll try to do everything. I always do everything to the best of my ability. If I can't help you, I'll let you know, and I'll try to point you to the right direction to get help. So thank you for stopping by. Ciao.